Let's see what is Excel to Tally software. Users can import data from Microsoft Excel spreadsheets into Tally, a well-known accounting and financial management program, using the Excel to Tally software utility. Using this program, financial transactions may be easily managed, reliable records can be kept, and reports can be produced. The Excel to Tally software can be used by people and organizations across a range of industries and is intended for enterprises of all sizes. It does away with the necessity for manual data entry and does away with the possibility of mistakes occurring during that process. It is simple to monitor financial transactions and maintain track of your business thanks to the software's automated Excel to Tally data import process. The software functions by transforming the data in the Excel sheet into a Tally-compatible format. Data mapping is a technique used to make sure the data is properly loaded into Tally. The software also offers choices for customizing the data mapping process to the particular requirements of your company. A wide variety of data formats, such as financial transactions, sales and purchase invoices, ledger entries, and more, are supported by Excel to Tally software. This implies that a range of financial data, such as customer and vendor information, inventory specifics, and other financial transactions, can be imported into Tally. The time savings that the Excel to Tally software offers is one of its key advantages. The software does away with the necessity for time-consuming, inaccurate manual data entry. You can save time and concentrate on other areas of your business by automating the Excel to Tally data import procedure. The Excel to Tally software is very simple to use and easy. It offers a straightforward and understandable user interface that makes importing data from Excel to Tally simple. People with little to no accounting knowledge can use the software because it requires minimal setup. In summary, Excel to Tally software is a useful resource for companies of all sizes. It offers a convenient and effective means to control financial transactions, keep precise financial records, and produce reports. The software is a useful tool for companies trying to streamline their financial management procedures since it automates the process of importing data from Excel to Tally, which saves time, lowers the chance of errors, and produces accurate financial records. Get 14 days free trial of Excel to Tally software at www.fastinflow.com.